Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of the crypto market discussion series. I know I haven't done this in a very long time, but I thought this is the right time to bring back the market discussion series. So looking at the Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, it have crashed very badly, especially Luna, correcting more than I don't know, 100%. It's really back to zero. So yeah, it's been really sad for a lot of investors, a lot of horrible situation. But yeah, for a long time holder, this is an opportunity for you to buy assets at cheap price. So anyway, let's get started with the discussion series. So I don't know if you have watched the previous discussion series, but I've been discussing that Bitcoin doesn't have much of buyers has seen in this rally when you're comparing the transactions that's been happening. It's pretty low, like this rally that happened. Look at the transactions. If you look at that, it's pretty much low what has been happening right now. I mean, this whole rally has low volume transactions. So when this was happening and when the price was correcting, we did discuss that Bitcoin can correct to the demand zones, right? To these demand zone. But yeah, Bitcoin literally high volatility has kicked in, and crypto market is the highest volatility asset in the whole world. It even broke our demand zone. So what next? What to watch out next? So at the moment, Bitcoin is not just Bitcoin. The whole crypto market is having very panic situation, panic selling. Even in stock market, I'm seeing a lot of similar actions. If you look at, I don't know, Dow Jones, I'm pretty sure somewhere over here. Yeah, these are S&P. You can see has taken a dip. This is Nasdaq taking a dip. Believe I have one more. I think I have one more. Anyway, yeah, I have one more over here. This is mini vessel taken a dip. So most of the asset, not most of the global market has taken a dip along with the crypto market, which usually corrects way bigger than the every market in the world. So yeah, at the moment, Bitcoin is at a good demand zone. This is where you have seen buying happening, but similarly, we need huge volume transactions like this. We need transactions like this coming in. So hopefully, Bitcoin is going to attract some buyers. If not, Bitcoin can fall again. Bitcoin can even dip to 20K. Why 20K? Because that is the previous all-time high. That was the previous all-time high. You can see over here price reacting to that all-time high and then causing a breakout and a rally. So if Bitcoin is dipping, this is the possible high point of interest. I'm expecting a lot of buyers, like a lot of buying participants to kick in from here, like we have seen in this transactions, in this rally. So yeah, hopefully we can expect some sort of attractive attraction towards the buyers coming into the market, pushing the price higher. So how do we figure out if the buyers are coming into the market? Well, first scenario, you see this volume, these candles, these high volume transaction candles. We need Bitcoin to get above that. We need Bitcoin to sustain above that and try catching the supply zones. If that is happening, that means buyers are getting in the market. Buyers are in the market and they're testing supply zones to see if there is any more sellers left in the market. Looking at the volume transactions, this is pretty much high transactions. This is pretty much high transactions in the sense swapping between or transferring of assets from weak hands to the strong hands, like retail investors or retail traders to institutions or whales. That is the strong hands I'm talking about. So this is a scenario like that. This high volume transactions you can see is way bigger than any volume transactions that I've seen even in this year, to be honest. So this is great. This transaction is actually great. It can also be a sign of climatic, but to be confirmed, what do we need to see? We need the price to sustain above those candles, those high volume transaction candles. We need the price to be above that. So that shows that this volume transactions happened mostly can be buyers. They are buying all this Bitcoin from the weak hands who is panic selling. So yeah, that's all I wanted to discuss about Bitcoin today. And the next video I'll be bringing with another video regarding what all assets you can watch out because at the moment most of the assets are at demand zone. So right. So I'll be the next video I'm coming up with this post discussing about these assets, which assets you can look out for because there's a lot of crazy assets like metaverse tokens are at very cheap price and those have high potential. I will also discuss why I think metaverse tokens are a good bet at this time because most of them are very cheap right now. So I'll discuss that in the next video. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you like this discussion, do give me a thumbs up. And also drop a comment and let me know what you think about Bitcoin. Do you think Bitcoin is going to crash to 20,000, or do you think Bitcoin is going to recover from this demand zone and at least make an effort to touch higher prices? I'm not talking about going to $100,000, but I'm talking about testing these high prices from here. And so, yeah, let me know what you guys think. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.